PGA Advisory basically provides property insights for investors around Australia so that they can have a successful investment. My name is Ben Pedersen and I'm the Head of Marketing at PGA Advisory. So the problems that we were facing initially from a marketing perspective is that we didn't have access to the Salesforce CRM. And with that, we wanted to introduce Pardot so that we could then integrate that in with a marketing platform so that we could then provide message to our current clients and ongoing clients. So yeah, the implementation of Pardot helped the business substantially via the engagement journeys that we're able to create to provide value to our current clients and also clients that have sort of slipped through the cracks a little bit. Through these engagement journeys, we're able to re-engage with these clients so that we can then create the messaging ongoing. So yeah, in terms of the ROI, whilst we've had Pardot implemented over the last 3 months, it's been increased by about 300%. So yeah, we've been really happy with the way it's going so far. Okay, so yeah, the team's feedback has been really great. In terms of creating the journeys and strategizing, and that's obviously, you know, a group thing. So it's really brought the team together. And once it is together and it's put out there, just being able to see like live the metrics come through and what's happening in real time, it's actually really exciting and yeah, fun to watch as it unfolds. So the Out in the Clouds experience from get-go has been really professional. Being able to understand exactly what we were trying to achieve, then implement that over a certain time, and the ongoing support has just been incredible. And I'm not sure, well, we wouldn't be able to do it without Out in the Clouds. There's a lot of technicalities that we can achieve, but so much more that you guys can implement and save us a lot of headaches from.